All right. Good morning. Good morning. Let me send this out to the group. Send this out. Send this out. Send this to the admin. Good morning, guys. We're going to break down the chart here in a minute. It's 9:18.
Order submitted.
I'll show you some of the things I'm testing and then some of the things that are live. Oh, trending along. Very nice. Good morning. Let me shut this door so there's not a glare. Put my glasses on. La-di-da. All right. That one's almost there. Target. Good morning, Jazzy. Hello. How are you? All right. Buenos dias. Hey, Phil. All right. Am I good? Am I good? I'm trying to think if I forgot anything.
Order canceled.
All my levels are good. Guys, y'all, this is 15 of 15. 3? Yeah, 15 of 15. This is insane on the day. Testing.
Order submitted.
So I reset the one that, the scalper that I'm still testing. I reset it just now at like 9 a.m. It's red $200. Oh, my live NQ is in a long. Let's see how that works out. So this is the live NQ. Let me put it on. This one didn't take any trades yesterday. Let me put it on my live account so I can show you guys. This one didn't take any trades yesterday. Wait. Why is it not showing? Oh, did I not change this one, but I changed the ES one? Oh, freak. Hold on. I wonder if I could, like, get into it really quickly. Yeah, no. Okay. Oh, shoot. I didn't do it immediately. Immediately submit. All right, well, I missed out on that, so that's my fault. Let me change this back. I was actually looking at oil last night. I can talk about it in a second. Pulling back down here. All right. And I do have my normal chart right here. I had somebody say yesterday it was hard for them to see because they're colorblind, and so, you know, while I empathize with that, I only have one chart, which is the scalper that has this fun pattern on it. So I'll be clicking back and forth. If it's hard for you to see on that one, I promise I'll be clicking back and forth to this one. So this is the 20-minute chart. This is the one that I look at all the time. Again, if you're new here, I trade futures. I go live every single day from 9:15 to 10:30. So let's break down this chart together. So let's talk about yesterday and what happened. So the market had a huge run up yesterday, really since 8 a.m. Nice big moves. Then we got a little sideways here after the close. Last night, kind of just sideways. I took a short last night right around this time. And that went well. Look, it went right to this level here at 11,499. And then it bounced back up. This was a double top, 1, 2, and then it dropped really well. This was later in the day. This was like 1:20 a.m. I was not awake. Had a huge drop all the way through the chop zone, pulled back up, and then dropped again. So this was a really nice retest with a huge drop. And since then, we've kind of just been hanging out in this area. So it's moved back up to the chop zone and rejected, moved back up and rejected. And now we had this pretty big drop not too long ago. I grabbed a short for like $355, and I was pretty late in the short as well. Like I got short here, where some of my members got short up here. So yeah, so we'll see what happens. We'll see if we go back to the chop zone again at the open, which is in 7 minutes. Today is Thursday, September 29th. Reminder, sometimes Thursdays, to me, Thursday's going to be the hardest day to manually trade, especially at the open. It's not happening as of right now. Get off the mark. I don't even know what that means. So Market opens in 7 minutes. We'll see if we move lower, if we continue to move lower and we can break this 11,327, which is a pretty strong level I talked about a few days ago. My ultimate target for the day is 11,250. If we move up, obviously I'm not trading in the chop zone. The chop zone, how big is it today? So it's almost 100 points today. That's pretty normal. The LAS is up here. This is the central pivot. So again, I'm not chopping. I'm sorry, I'm not trading anywhere within here. But yeah. If you have questions, let me know. If you want more information, you can email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Oh, you know what? Hey, Eric. Good morning. Please think about giving a thumbs up if you're on YouTube or tap the screen if you're on TikTok. Again, I appreciate all the feedback and the love that you guys give. So we're back down on this 97 level. I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind this short. No, so I don't plan it out like that. I honestly, if I looked at a higher time frame, I could probably break it down, but we've been dropping since last night. So, oh shoot, why did I do that? So I don't think so. Obviously anything can happen, but no, I'm focused more on the shorts this morning. I reset the scalper from last night. And I only have shorts on. Oh, it's so funny. I just said that. And it's in a short. I gotta change this to the account that it's actually on because I'm testing it. And then you guys can see it in action. So this is the one that's still being tested. I have a bunch that aren't. Thanks for the likes. I have a bunch that are available to the group, but this one is still being tested, so. All right, if it does something exciting, I'll move it back. All right, it's 9:26. If you have questions, let me know. 4 minutes until the market opens. Yeah, Danny, I already talked about them. My ultimate target is 250. This is central right here, 430. Oh, were you on the 7 before, Corp? Yeah, the 8 is where you should be for sure. Yeah, figured as much. It's every Thursday morning, right? That's why I don't really like Thursdays. I feel like that information always makes the open kind of wonky. Oh, you were on Trade-of-8. Oh, yeah. No, Trade-of-8 charts suck. Suck ASS. But I really like their interface. It's just so much easier to use, like super user-friendly. And yeah. I like Trade-of-8, but I know what you're saying. There's a lot more here. I just like the DOM on Trade-of-8. That's all I use. All right, 2 minutes till the market opens. Range is on for today. I have scalper. I have 2 scalpers live, the NQ and the ES. The ES actually had me red this morning. ES is slow as crap and I hate it. I trade CL. I trade ES too, but NQ is my favorite. NQ moves so fast. You can make so much money in such a little bit of time. that like outer balance or something? I don't know what the OB stands for. How much is your automated bot made you today? So $1,420. This is 15 for 15 overnight. Like, it's insane. I posted about it on Twitter, so if you follow me on Twitter, you would have seen it there. So real time. So it was 3 for 3 for 300, and then I turned it to simulation because I'm a punk. And then this has been since last night. So it then went 12 for 12. So it's 15 for 15 since 6 p.m. last night. Again, you can, I kind of talked about this the other day when you were on live. You can, but my main strategy only runs during the US market. Because I was going to bed and I didn't feel like thinking about it all night. I was actually really tired. But my boy Bill kept it live, and so he hit it all. Is the goal about $100 per trade minus commissions? No. Well, on that strategy, yeah. But no, not typically. Yes, exactly, Corp. Exactly. Yep, great questions, guys. All right, it's 9:31. The market's open. Why does it look like we're not moving? So we're still under this 98 level. Thanks for the follows. If you want more info, you can email me right here, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Sorry, I have some new people in the group asking questions, so I had to just respond to them really quickly. I do have to sign off right at 10:30 today because I'm going to volunteer later this morning, and so I have to leave the house. This is neither crypto or stock. It is the NASDAQ NQ futures market. Y'all, this short was nice. Andre, right? Right. Again, my ultimate target is 250, especially if we break this 326. As you started, yes, I was referring to the overnight strategy. Yep, that one is. Yep, exactly. So I've seen it often go like 4 for 4 or 5 for 5, and then it has a loss. And I just didn't want to be caught in a loss. So I was like, oh, I'll just turn it off and go to bed. Like, put it on simulation and go to bed. So I did. And now, of course, I'm like killing myself. No, this is all just one contract. Everything is one contract except for range. Range is the only one that I take more than one. So 6 p.m. to 9 a.m., $1,420 on one contract. One full mini. All right, what's happening? Why is this so boring and slow? Let's see what our scalper's doing. Oh, you know why? Because I have it on tabs. I don't think I can do that. Ugh, I just thought about that again. All right, well, I'm going to stay on this one instead of the other tab. I'm just going to have to close those out. That's all I'll just do. Which is fine. I have shorts only on here. This is not forex, but it's very similar. It's futures. Rectangle. Oh, it's in a short. Thanks for the follow. If we can break 60. There we go. I'm in this short under, I was at 61. It's like 125. 150. All right, so grab that quick. I've been doing that this week, and I should get out of that habit, but what website do you use to view the live updates for each stock? Number one, I don't trade stocks, ever. This is NinjaTrader. This is NinjaTrader. This is for futures. I don't trade stocks. All right, so we broke 60. Now we're down at 45. This is the NASDAQ on the futures market. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, you know, well, actually, I might be right. Why is it coasting like that? Yes, this is the NASDAQ. Yeah, but I don't trade forex, so I'm on just a regular futures contract, which is just NQ. Just NQ. NQ. December 22 contract. This is my chop zone. I don't trade within this. It's different every day. This is also a proprietary level, the yellow dotted line. And we've just been moving lower. Definitely should have taken the short under 98, but I got a little nice. I got a little scalp. Yeah, I heard people like those. I've never used them. Michael, I don't know why you're asking about longs. Kind of boring, but the short is live. The next level below is 27. After that is 250 is my ultimate target on the downside. Yeah, D's. Your group is using what chart portal? I don't even know what that means. Y'all, this is NinjaTrader. Is that the question? Des? Okay, got it. I was thinking like D's nuts. Is that another thing people used to say? Remember, this one with the mountains is just being tested. So let's not get all, like, people were messaging me yesterday in the group like, wait, I don't have the one. I didn't get the same trades that you were getting on the live stream. No, I don't use RSI. That's bullshit. No thanks. Y'all, trend though is now 16 for 16 on the day. Just somebody come strangle me because I missed out on all this money. Look at this. 13 of 13. Remember, I was 3 for 3 and then I went to bed and I put it on simulation, and since then it's been 13 for 13. Like, just get me. I'm such a punk sometimes. So basically you use 0 indicators. Yes, basically I do. Oh, I have Slack. Yeah, this is where everything happens. If you join the group, it all happens in Slack. See? Announcements, student corner, testing, troubleshooting. It's all here. That's where all of my members are, in Slack. And that's also in the email that it says once you sign up, you will be added to Slack. Oh, this short is $275. All right. Again, you can move this down. You don't have to. It will close once it comes above this little thin red line. So, what time is it? 9:40. Maybe on Thursdays. Well, no, it had a big trade at 8:30 from the report. So, maybe Thursdays is an 8:30 to 8:40, and then you don't start until 9:40. See, and these are things I need to write down and then keep track of and then keep testing it, which is why it takes so long for something to come out of simulation and out of testing. So it's $500 for the first 3 weeks, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. All right, let's write this down. Thursdays. Scalper. 8:30 to 8:40. And then don't start again until 9:40 because Thursday opens are kind of weird. Thanks for the follows, guys. Yep, it's month to month. You can cancel anytime. Let me show you the short at 8:30. It was massive. Here it is. It was $900 and it locked up $935. Look at this. Short at 11,410 and then locked it up at 340. Oh, there's actually another one before that. Look at this. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that. So I only have shorts on. Again, we're below the chop zone. I'm not looking for a reversal. I'm just looking for nice continuation moves. And then if it starts chopping up and it looks like it's moving up, I would just turn it off in real life. Real life. Yes, my short did stop. It's right here. I made like $500 or something. I can look at it. Let's see. Real time. $415. It got out at 11,308. I moved my stop a little close, but it would have gotten out anyway. Here, which would have been like the same area. Yes, below 327. Danny, I'm so proud of you. Yes, I only have shorts on. Y'all, come on, you got to get with the market. Can't just be trading everything. Out here looking crazy. Listen, this is the chop zone. I only take shorts below and longs above. That's just my thing. And let's look at this. Who took the short below 27 besides Danny? Like, all of you should be taking this. I'm giving you free money every single day. Below 327, the target is 250. I said it about 5 times now. I just gave you 50 points. But don't get it now if you haven't already gotten into it. Like, because then people will do that and then they'll lose. This is the NASDAQ. It says it right here on the futures market. Just 250. Just 250, Danny. You know I got you. 252. Free money. Free money. All you have to do is tap that screen to show your support. Give a thumbs up in YouTube, and I give you free money. Yes, I have 7 different algorithms, Des. There's 24 of you in YouTube. I would love if some of you just click that thumbs up button. You know, like, are we even surprised that it went exactly where I said it would go? I'm a cocky bitch. Are we even surprised? Like, I know my shit. I've only been doing this for 7 years. Literally, the short even should have been below 400. 400 to 250? You're welcome. I just missed at 98 because I was too busy talking to y'all. All right? Sounds like popcorn. Yeah, sorry. It's my clicky keyboard. This is NinjaTrader. It's not a site. It's a desktop application. Like, you have to... Oh, y'all, we caught another one in Scalper, too. Oh, I hate how this is doing this because of the top line. We caught another one here. Oh, look at that pullback. It took us out prematurely at 278, and then it went right to 250. Oh, what a surprise. We bounced. And then we chop up. And then we consolidate. I promise you, this isn't as hard as you probably tell yourself it is. Once you get out of your own head, it's so much easier. Yeah, sorry. I was posting something for Twitter because I hit my target. I always have to gloat. And I was responding to people in the chat. Andy made his $900. He's heading to the airport to go to Louisville, and he paid for the airfare. Let's look at what people have made so far today. Andy already made $930. Camby's one of my brand new students. He's trading really, really small, but hey, he took his first manual trade and he made $4. That was earlier. Roxanne made $600 this morning, taking the short at 8:30, and Zach also made $300 this morning, taking a trade at 7 a.m. Yesterday we had a really nice day. We hit both targets in range. Hola. Yeah, I said 250 like a million times. And all you have to do is go to my YouTube and rewatch this live stream because I record them every single day. And how many companies you checking out? I don't know. I don't know what that means. I only trade the Nasdaq. That's it. The chop zone, I don't tell you how I find it, but I show you and I give you the values every single day. If you're in my group, you get the chop zone by 8 a.m. every day, so that gives you more of an advantage. So this is in my manual alerts. So you get the LIS 7 a.m. and then you get the chop zones for ES, NQ, gold, and oil every day by 8 a.m. Thanks for the follows, guys. I go live every day from about 9:15 to 10:30. I definitely have to get off at 10:30 today because I'm volunteering, giving back to the community. And, yeah. But I go live every day. I'm live on YouTube and TikTok at the same exact time. So everything that you're seeing here on TikTok, you can go back and watch as many times as you want on YouTube. So if you want to see how the algorithm works, what it looks like, if you want to slow it down, whatever, you can do all of that on YouTube. So this automatically moves my stop loss into the green after it gains $200. So it was green $200 and my stop loss moved down. You can see we're going back to that 250 and now it went up and took me out of the trade. If you have any questions, let me know. Jen, I hope you got some of this drop. Dude, if you didn't get it off of the report, I called the short. Essentially, I was saying I should have been short under 400. But my serious call was this 327. Short under 327, dropped right to my ultimate target of 250. Just 80 points for free. I do train beginners. I have a mentorship and I have a one-on-one program. All of that can be found on my website. Jen is one of my students and she's killing it now. My win-loss ratio is typically around 1-to-1 when I manually trade. On the algorithm, it depends what strategy you're talking about. Range is a little bit uneven on the risk side, but it's 87% on the year, so I deal with it. How much is this? I don't know what that means. Anyone can become a student. Yes, B-Money. Yep, you just go to my website. I don't know. I'm just saying he has a small account because I think he's only trading 1 micro manually just to get his feet wet. Thanks for the follows, guys. Yeah, too many people, too many traders are in their head. It becomes emotional. It becomes like this whole war with yourself. It took me a little while to become consistent. Sorry, I'm scrolling back up to some of the questions from before. It definitely took me a while. I was very emotional as well. But that's why the algorithm helps people that maybe can't get through that process and they are still emotional because it does everything for you. It gets you in the trade. It gets you out of the trade. It takes profit. It moves the stop loss. So stop describing about my mindset. Yeah, no, seriously. I was there too. And sometimes I'm still there. Like yesterday, I kind of had a hard day. I had made like $900 early. And then I was like, oh, let me take some more trades, but like, why? And then I gave some back and I was mad at myself and I'm like, why did you do that? So, I don't think it ever really goes away, but you learn how to deal with it in an easier way, I guess. So yeah. Oh, scalpers in a short. So again, once this gets to 200, it will move this stop loss from in the red to in the green. Yes, and being part of a team or group helps. Yeah, absolutely. That's what I really like Slack for, and that's why I try to get people to be as vocal and as active in the group as they can be. And I know people have lives, they have families, they have jobs, but the more we can lean on each other and kind of talk about things and break down trades, the better it is for your success as a trader. Yeah, it does. It's typical. It's normal. Look, my hands are here, so you can see that I'm not moving the stop loss when that gets to 200. I had to do that yesterday because somebody's like, does it really do it on its own? Yeah, I lost for a while. Like, I blew up a few accounts All right, so this short is now green 350. Again, I could move this stop loss again if I wanted to. I don't have to. It will automatically exit itself when it crosses this line. So you'll see if it stays above this line when the candle crosses, then it will exit the trade. Look, no hands. This is, if you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. This is also in my bio. Heads up, I will never DM you. If you get a DM on TikTok or Instagram, it's probably from someone trying to front as me. So just be careful because that's been happening a lot lately. There's a lot of fake accounts out there. All right, so you can see that candle just ever so slightly closed above that and it closed the trade. So again, this is NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader. It doesn't work on Mac computers, but it will if you have a VPS, which is essentially a PC on your Mac. But it is a desktop application. It's not a phone app like, I don't know, what's that one that everybody uses? Robinhood? Yeah, it's not that. Y'all, let's also talk about the alert that I gave this morning in the group. Short NQ 11,400. Let's just talk about that. What time was this? I guess it was a little earlier. So it might have pulled back up since. But that was the same trade. Where is it? 8. How far did this one drop? 4. It went down to 332. Yeah, Robinhood's crap. Figure I'm on NinjaTrader 8 right now. Yeah, NinjaTrader 8 is what you need to run the auto trading algorithm. You can't use it on anything else. So if you want to use a fully automated system with me, it has to be on NinjaTrader. If you want more info, you can email me right here at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Your most successful student, is he trading manually or using an auto algo with more contracts? No, he's doing a little bit of both, but he mostly manually trades. Most of my students prefer manually trading because, like, let's be honest, I think we all have control issues, but they really know what they're doing, and it's easy for them to just make $1,000 with one contract, and then he just sizes up. Like, you know, I'm not going to say Kenny's the most successful just because he makes a lot of money. Like, I guess that is how you would measure success in trading. But he's also super, super consistent, and he's patient. But let's talk about Andy. Like, Andy is a student that started with me a few years ago, and he was in his head, and he kind of didn't get himself really in line until this year. And now Andy has probably been the most reliable. Like, he has been, I don't know what the word I'm thinking of, but the most consistent. He's been the most consistent where he makes $1,000 every single morning and then he turns the algorithm off. Or I'm sorry, not the algorithm. Then he stops trading. Yesterday he didn't do it until the afternoon because the morning was kind of crazy. But he makes $1,000 every single day and then he goes to his very high level executive job. So, you know, there's different forms of success and whatever you think it was. Why only NQ? Why not ES? Because ES is crap. Joe took the short at 250. What? I hope you didn't take a short at 250. What? That's impossible. No, maybe you did over here. Dude, the short was not at 250. This is why I'm saying I don't like saying stuff because then people don't listen. The target was 250. I hope you mean like 350 or 330. No bueno. No. It only works 1 hour per day? No. Who said that? I think people don't understand. Took the short to 250. Okay. Whew. Joe, you had me nervous. Do they manually trade on chops? Your chops? No. Kenny does not at all. Kenny doesn't follow my chop zone at all. Why ban? I think you can still use MT4 and MT5 on NinjaTrader. Good job, Sanchez. Very nice. Banned on Apple. Well, we're not doing Apple anyway, so y'all just get a VPS. This is Scalper. This is Scalper. It's still being tested. I have other scalpers that are live in the group, but this one's just being tested. Oops, let me move over here. What? Did I just do something? What the? One second. Yeah, so y'all, I use NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader is my broker. NinjaTrader is my platform. NinjaTrader. So this is Scalper. Y'all, if you're new to my group, you get access to one algo and one algo only for the first 2 weeks, and that is range. The reason why I say that is because range is the most consistent. It is 87% on the entire year. It only takes 1 or 2 trades per day. It's not over here like Scalper taking 200 trades per day, and then you have to pay $500 in fees and commissions. People typically want all of this action, but then they don't realize how expensive it can be, especially if you're red on the day. So say you're red $200 on the day, and then you still have to pay $500 in fees and commissions. Like, that's not fun. What you need to do as a new person in a system like mine, you need to start off slow and conservative, and that is why I only give you access to range, which is profitable 87% of the entire year. So I hope that answers your question, Jake. After you're in the group for a few weeks, you do have access to all of my algorithms, but again, I still very much kind of what's the word? Like hammer into your brain that still bold range is the best option. Bold range is the best option no matter what. So if you want to get your hands on it September, you can just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Michael, we're green $1,520 on one strategy. All right, so this is now dropping. Again, this one is, this is green $400 on the scalper. So again, I don't have to move my stop loss. If I want to, I can, but it will take itself out regardless when it comes back above that level. And yeah, range has not taken any trades today because it doesn't start until later. So my most reliable system, is there anyone from doing this? Can Jenny view when you yes. But yeah, range, which is the main focus, that doesn't start until an hour from now. So there's no P&L on range, but on trend, it is 16 for 16 on the day. I posted that over here, real time, just today. So this is 13 to 13. There were 3 trades prior to this that I had on before I went to bed last night. But it's $100 per profitable trade unless it hits the offset. So $1,520. And this is trading one contract. And this is the chart for that, just so you can see it. It's a little different. And I have that starry thing. I should probably make it black. So yeah, I'm really mad at myself for this one. But anyway, range will start in a little bit. Scalper's in another short. It just got out. This is another level I have here. 11217. No, it's not an indicator, Michael. It's a fully automated system that is coded within a file that I send you. So there's no way you can get this on any platform other than NinjaTrader. Thanks, Thumper. Nobody cares about your breakup. I have no idea what that is, Ty. This is futures, but it's very similar to forex. You can trade forex on NinjaTrader as well. You can trade currencies. You can use my algorithm to essentially trade everything except for options. It's like the only thing it doesn't trade. So yeah, let me put this back up here. We're just stair stuffing it down. It's $500 for the first 3 weeks, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. That's for the automated algorithm. Sorry, I'm getting a bunch of questions. Okay, I thought this one I first thing. Oh, good job, Dave. I'll look at that in a second. Nope, you can't get it. It's protected. I'm a vendor with NinjaTrader, so it does work for everything, but you won't be able to like see it. It's protected with the price for the program. Okay, no worries. So yeah, if you want to email me, Kent, I can give you more information. It does work with, so we've done it on futures crypto, like Bitcoin futures, micro Bitcoin futures. I'll show you the breakdown on NinjaTrader. I'm starving. All right, so look, these are all the products it works on. So I'll just show you guys this, and this is the price of the product. So you would need to have this much in your account to take the trade. So these are all the regular futures, the indices. So S&P, NASDAQ, micros, Russell, the Dow. So Bitcoin futures, micro Bitcoin futures, and micro Ethereum futures. Look, micro Ethereum futures is only $50 a contract. And it's only $500 for a micro Bitcoin future. Euro dollars, cattle, hog, cow, feeder and live cattle, whatever the difference is there. Currencies, then bonds, treasury notes, whatever. I've never traded those. I have traded corn before, and I've traded coffee. I think they have water too, but it's not listed here. Gold, oil, silver, copper, whatever these other oils are, natural gas, that's really popular. I don't trade it though. The DAX, euro. Oh, here's ice, coca, what? Oh, ice is the exchange. So coffee, cotton, and chocolate. And I guess they have sugar too. And then they have nano Bitcoin. I knew they had introduced nano. So there's nano Bitcoin and nano Ethereum. Those are only $25 per contract. That's, yeah. I had to think about that. My brain wasn't really working. I was thinking iced coffee. James, most people start with anywhere between $2,000 to $5,000. $2,000 is the minimum. Thanks for all the hearts, guys. Yeah, if you tap the screen or give me a thumbs up, it's super appreciated. Yeah, sorry. Do you also have a YouTube channel? Yes, y'all. It's literally right here. Do you have YouTube? I'm not sure. But it does say YouTube right here, so that might indicate that's my YouTube. I've had this keyboard since 2020, so I think I'm okay. Yeah, I do. High stakes, you're right on. I type 80 words per minute with 100% accuracy. Thumper, come on now. Thanks for the rose. Do you have a Twitter or TikTok? I fucking hate you guys. So, do you... Wait, Dave, I want to see your picture. I love humor like that. Like, just bullshit. You guys, I actually need a computer. Can somebody lend me theirs? Can somebody... Please. I'm in dire need. Oh, you guys, we're missing all these shorts on the scalper. See how right I was to be short only? Because we're under the chop zone, and my chop zone is the shit. So this is green $515 now since I turned it on at 9 a.m., which has been an hour. But again, it's taken a lot of trades, so that's what you have to think about. And this is why I don't tell people to just jump at the low-hanging fruit. Well, it's only taken 11 trades, so I guess not that bad. No, I turned this back on. That's wrong. That's totally wrong. Remember, I just had to restart it a bit ago, so that's wrong. It's 11 trades plus probably like 90 more. Let's be honest. It's 11 trades for the past 5 minutes. The bot does everything for me. Oh no. Oh no. I'm just kidding. This is my hard stop, so if it gets up here, we'll take it out. I think those falling on the knife to save this are about to be taught a lesson. That's crazy. How much do you need in your account to start doing this? So minimum $2,000. Most people start between $2,000 and $5,000. This is now green 615. So see, this is what I'm saying. I was going to say Wednesdays. Thursdays can be a little funky. Can we look at this move down though? Like, let's just look at how beautiful this has been. And I'm just over here. I made like what? $200 on that drop and then I stopped. Well, I made $355 earlier, so whatever. Kenny made $37,000. Y'all, Kenny made $37,000. This is one of my students. Y'all, we talked about typing yesterday. You guys need to just take a typing class. I was required to take a typing class in school. Julio, good job. He made $285. Julio's new to the group. Very nice. And these are all manual trades because, y'all, the algorithm doesn't start for a little while. Shit, I gotta get off here soon. I have to go volunteer and I still need to get dressed. Nice job, Kenny. 1 week, Kenny made $250,000. He started this account with $30,000 and his goal is to get it to 1 million and then show it to the group. I love Kenny. Oh gosh, what are these weird dating sites in my YouTube chat? Put the user in timeout. Can I also just block them? Report? I don't know. Were you previously a typist? No, I was not. I used to work in finance. But I always had to type. I don't understand. Well, I guess like people in the field don't type. But at a regular day job, I'm typing all the time. Jen is one of my students. She's in the TikTok chat right now. She made $2,000 and she's done. Forget volunteering. We need help. Oh, he's not on the alert sheet. Maybe it was a month ago. No, but I did work at Morgan Stanley, but I didn't work on the trading floor. I worked in, I'm really big on customer support, so I was in like client relations where I was managing new onboarding clients in the prime brokerage space. So does the code place the stop loss for you? Yes, it does everything. It moves the stop loss. It places the stop loss. I honestly love to trade, but I don't know where to start. You should start by getting a mentor like me, because I'll teach you everything you need to know. This is NinjaTrader. I don't need to move the stop loss. It'll move itself. And I would never move it. Oh, Dave, enough. What pair are you trading? I don't trust women-coded bots. Okay, so have a good day. Go trust a man, because men make such great decisions. Also, I didn't code it. I have a developer that codes. He's on payroll, and he has a PENIS. So, you know, whatever that's worth for you, sir. He's he just wanted his 5 minutes. He said lessons were served. I reset this because it had that outstanding. Did she get what I was saying? I feel like I've been typing her so much today. Okay, got it. The only thing you had to do was short under 60, which I did, but then I freaking got out at like 50. Like a simp. I joined with you. Agreed, Carter. Why futures? Let's see. You can trade 23 hours a day. You get less taxes that you have to send to the IRS because they're taxed at a better rate than options or day trading stocks. You can start with as little as $400. You can make 100% of your account value in like one trade. I don't know. It goes on and on. Futures are the best. Super liquid. Super aggressive. Yeah, they're really good, Thumper. But you could also just trade futures, Thumper. It would be better and easier. And then you'd be doing the same thing that we're all doing. Blah, blah. Yep, I taught Jen in 2020, and she's been on her own, killing it ever since. All right. Were there any other questions? What are you trading? This is the NQ. I wasn't previously a typist. Let me move this over. I still don't look at that, Jen. I'm so bad. Like, I really need to. All right, it's 10:19. My course, so my digital mentorship, which is 14 pre-recorded 1-hour videos that you get access to for life, and you can watch them as many times as you want, is $1,000 one-time fee. And then my one-on-one, which is what Jen took, is 5 1-hour Zoom sessions. You also get the videos, and that is $2,500. With either of those teachings, you also get 1 free month in the alert room. This is NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader. Yeah, super narrow. They're like 1 tick apart. No, I don't speak Spanish. Can you put the Google Translate and it will just like say what I'm saying? It's really cool how that works now, actually. I had somebody go overseas. So we need to subscribe to your software platform? No, you don't. You can, if you're a student of mine, you can use whatever platform you want to use. You can use, why did he just send 1,000? What? You can use TradingView, you can use TD Ameritrade, you can use whatever charting platform you like. If you're my student, you can use. This is NinjaTrader. This only has to do with the automated algorithm. It has nothing to do with learning and charting and stuff like that. I don't know who Buddy is. I'm a girl. The fuck? Y'all, I go live every single day, Monday through Friday. Every single day, 9:15 to 10:30. Write it down. Follow me. You'll get a notification. Watch my stories. I go live every single day. I have 7 algos, but they're all included in the one price. It's $500 for the first 21 days as a discounted trial, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. It's month to month. You can cancel at any time. If you don't like it after the trial, you can cancel, and then you've only just paid the $500, whatever. No worries. Questions are fine. Will we get instructions? Yes. So as soon as you join the group, you get a welcome message. It gives you step-by-step videos. It gives you access to the settings spreadsheet. I can show you what it looks like. It looks like this. Welcome to BoldBot. So you get 3 videos to watch, and then these are documents that, like the settings spreadsheet and common questions and frequently, all of that stuff. So yes, and then you get assistance from the admin and myself. All right. Thanks, Kat. All right, I think I answered all those questions. All right, I'm going to wrap it up. It's 10:23. I have to go donate. I gotta go donate my time and volunteer. Thanks. I'll be back tomorrow, Friday, September 30th. It's the last day of the month. We should get some nice moves tomorrow. Maybe they'll try to turn it around and push it up. We'll have to see. I'm still live with range for the rest of the day, so I will keep you guys updated as I can. Again, I'm volunteering until 1 o'clock. So after that, I will let you guys know what's happening within the group and how range is going. All right, y'all, have a good one. Bye. Bye. Bye, YouTube. Always. Yes. All right, bye guys.